Tom, wake up.
Oh, what time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Already? I want to sleep more.
No, you must get up now.
5 more minutes, please.
No, you will be late.
Late for what?
Late for work.
Oh no, I forgot.
Yes, hurry, get out of bed.
Okay, I am getting up.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I am still sleepy.
Go and brush your teeth now.
All right, I'm going.
Don't forget to wash your face.
Yes, I will wash it.
Do you want breakfast?
Yes, I am hungry.
I made eggs and bread.
That's good, thank you.
Hurry, your tea is getting cold.
Okay, I will drink it now.
Do you feel awake?
A little, but I need coffee too.
You already have tea.
I know, but coffee makes me strong.
You are funny.
What about you? Did you wake up early?
Yes, I woke up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like mornings.
I don't like mornings.
That's why you are always late.
Maybe you are right.
Look at the time, it's almost 8.
Oh no, I must hurry.
Yes, put on your shoes.
Where is my bag?
On the chair.
Okay, I got it.
Don't forget your phone.
Thank you, I almost forgot.
Be careful on the way.
Yes, see you later.
Have a good day at work.
Thank you. Bye, Emma.
Bye, Tom.
Hello, taxi.
Hello, miss. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
Okay, please get in.
Thank you.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, just one small bag.
All right, I will put it in the trunk.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Please sit down.
Okay, I am ready.
Do you want air conditioning on?
Yes, please, it's very hot.
No problem, I will turn it on.
How long will it take to the station?
About 20 minutes.
Is there traffic now?
A little, but not too much.
That's good. I don't want to be late.
Don't worry, we will be on time.
How much does it cost?
Around $15.
Okay, that is fine.
Do you often travel by train?
Yes, I go to the city every week.
Oh, I see.
Do you drive a taxi every day?
Yes, I drive every day.
Is it a hard job?
Sometimes yes, but I like it.
That's nice.
Look, we are almost at the station.
Oh, very fast.
Yes, no traffic today.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Here we are.
How much is it exactly?
$15, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you need change?
No, keep the change.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and have a safe trip.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Can I see your passport and ticket?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I am flying to New York.
Okay, how many bags do you have?
I have 2 bags.
Are they heavy?
One is heavy, the other is small.
All right, I will weigh them.
Okay, thank you.
One bag is fine. The other is over the limit.
Oh no, what can I do?
You can pay a little extra for the bag.
Okay, I will pay.
Thank you. Please put your bags on the conveyor.
Sure. Here they go.
Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag?
Do you want a snack?
Yes, please.
Here is a sandwich and a small fruit.
Oh, thank you. That looks nice.
You are welcome. Do you want me to help with your blanket?
Yes, please. It's cold.
Here, use this blanket.
Thank you, that is better.
Do you need help with your headphones?
Yes, I don't know how to connect them.
Let me show you.
Oh, now it works. Thank you.
Great! Are you okay now?
Yes, I feel better.
Good. If you need anything, call me.
I will. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your flight.
I will try. Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am.